Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is to come to your home page where you click create, right? And then let's go to video. Since we want to do something about video, and then click on this drawbar, click on that, and then you're going to see mobile video, right? Click on mobile video. So when this pop up, don't use a template. Drag this down to avoid the template, and then go to element. Let's grab a shape, grab a rectangular shape, right, like this, and then spread out. When you have done this, change the color. Let's use, right, we're using this color, and then make sure you drag this space. You see this place, this is your timeline, right? Let's drag to 7 seconds. Okay, so I'm leaving it on 7 seconds. You can see that, right? So what you do again, come back to your element again, click on a circle, and then drag to open it up like this, right? Make sure you align. Okay, so if you have aligned, when those 4 lines cut across it, that is alignment. This is it. Okay, so when that happens, change the color. Let's change this other color here this time around. I'll use something like this. Okay, I think something like that is okay. So just to make a difference, right? And make sure anytime you have done that, drag the timeline to 7 seconds. I actually want to use 5 seconds before, but it's okay. All right, so tap on the circle, duplicate it. All right, duplicate, and then drag to fill in here. Change the color of the duplicate. All right, change the color to the background color. How do you change the background color? What do you do? Click on the color wheel. If you're using Canva Pro, make sure you're using Canva Pro. Click on color picker, and then take the color picker to the background, and then click on done. All right, and that way you have changed the color of the inner circle. Is that clear? So you can just position it very well. All right, very well. And then again, remember, drag towards 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do now is let's go to element, right? And then let's look for donut plates and go to photos, and then make sure you use the one that you can easily remove background, right? So let's pick up this one. All right, and then you can see it's down below the other shapes, right? So you take it up, drag it, press it down, and then drag it up, and then move up like this. Okay, so when you do that, tap on it, and then reduce the shape. All right, work on it. Just expand it like this. All right, just work on it. Make sure that no part of it is cut, right? Okay, so you have to be careful. All right, so that you can have the round shape out of it. Okay, so I think something like this. All right, so I can position this one here like this, and then you drag the timeline again to 7 seconds. I actually want to leave us 5 seconds, but let's use 7 seconds, right? So we're using 7 seconds like this. All right, so you do that for all of them. Yes, so just wait back, let me fill in all of the rest. Okay. All right, so I've been able to get the wheel ready, right? And I do some changes of the color. So having done that, the next I'm going to do is to tap the first of the donut, then click the 3 dots up there, and then you're going to come down, click select multiple, tap on it, and then begin to tap on the other donuts, right? Tap on the donut, tap on the middle wheel, and then tap on the green circle. All right, having done all of that, what you can do is to click on group. Click on group so that everything become one entity. See that? And then let's drag it to the corner a bit like this. All right, make sure it's well aligned. And then having done that, the next thing is just go to grab text, add the heading, and type the word donuts. Add donuts, and make sure you change that to white color. Change that to white color. Drag it open a bit, and then change the font. I'm going to change the font to Winter Solid. All right, you can use any font, okay, as it pleases, but don't use more than 2 fonts. Remember, like I told you, make sure you're using Canva Pro, right? So having done that, just remove the letter O. Remove the letter O from there. All right, and then what you can do, tap on the text, and let's expand. Okay, drag and open up a bit. Before then, open the space for letter O. Remember, I'm using smartphone, right? So sometimes it's a bit difficult for you to work. If I'm using laptop, right, it's going to be a bit faster than this, all right? But then you just have to manage this. I'm doing this for those who said, oh, they don't have a phone. They don't have laptop. What they have is phone. You can use a phone, all right? Carefully use a phone and then work on it this way. You can see what I'm doing, right? Okay, so the letter O is a donut now. Letter O is a donut, right? Okay, so having done that, what you do, come to the text. You see that text, come to your timeline and drag to the end, and then reduce towards 7 seconds. Remember that? Okay, so this is it. So I think we are done. So what you can do now is tap on this wheel, tap on the wheel, then go toward animation. Go to animation, and then move down toward to rotate. go to rotate, click on it again, and then determine the speed you want. Okay, you can see that. All right, so having done all of that, the next thing you can do is to start branding your video, right? Duplicate the donut text, right? I'll just bring it up here, and then I can type Duoco donut shop or something like that, right? So I just got this Duoco donut shop, right? See, I'm adding Duoco designs because I'm teaching you right now, okay? But you don't do this if you are doing this for a client, okay? If you're for his client, you can maybe use the client logo or something, right? But don't do this, okay? But I just have to do it because I'm teaching you right now, okay? So I can do all of that. So I've done the branding, right? So the next I'm going to do after doing the branding, guys, okay, yeah, to add music, you just have to add music. Click on here. If you drag up, you're going to see add audio, right? Click on audio. They'll take you to the library of audios. Okay, there are different audio. If in case you want to use these ones, right, for advert purpose, and these ones are no, the copyright is not there, okay, because it's from Canva. All right, so Canva is saying that's why you need to have Canva Pro. So having done this, right, I can just pick anyone. All right. Just pick something like that, just for educational purpose, then bring it down here. When I get to the end of it, I'll just tap on it, okay? Tap on the music line, and then that will cut it. So if you play, this is going to look like. Beautiful, right? So this is how it looks like. So having done this, the next thing you're going to do is to download this one. All right, so let's assume I don't want to use this background, okay? This is the background color on the timeline. You can see it, right? So just tap on it, and then you can decide to remove it. Okay, you can delete it from here. Delete on the basket, delete icon, right? And then come to element, and let's look for, let's say, donut shop, right? No, okay, we'll go to photos. Yeah, let's go to photos. All right, then we'll look for a very nice donut shop. All right, okay, let's use this one. Right? So when you get that, okay, drag to 7 seconds as usual. All right, so you can see the background, how it looks like, right? So as it is, you can decide to change the color of the text if you want to, right? Just look for something like this, okay? Yeah, you can see that I just changed the color, and then let's play how it looks like. Okay, so you can see that the background this time around, is not plain stuff, right? So you can have it in that form. So you can download this and then send to your customer or to your client so that they can take a look at how it looks like, and then you are good to. If they say, oh, they are good to, I mean, they like it, fine, good and fine. Now remember, in graphics, more than 2 colors, and then make sure you look at your background and work with your background color, right? So having done that, I think I need to change the color of the wheel. Click on the wheel, and then come to color, and then let's say we are changing that to, all right, yeah, I think something like that is okay, or something of this nature, right? It's okay. Let's see how it goes. All right, so now you just have to be creative, guys, okay? You just have to manipulate your work, but make sure you follow the laws, the rules that guide graphics, okay? Don't use more than 2 colors, don't use more than 2 fonts, okay? Very important. All right, so finally, what I want us to do is to change the background and then replace it with a video, right? So I'm going to click on the background now, click on delete up here. All right, it's gone. So what I'll do, go to elements, and then let's look for donut shop. All right, this time we're going to videos. So go to video, click here to go to videos, and these are videos, okay? These are videos. This is video, like click on see all, and then just go through it and pick anyone they feel like using. All right, okay. All right, I think this is beautiful, right? And if you feel your client do not like this, you can do something else. Just be creative, guys, okay? Just be creative. You can decide to now change the color of the donut, spelling, and all of that, okay? And then we are good to go. So, guys, these are this, all right? So if you like what we're doing, make sure you follow us on the YouTube channel as well, and then follow us on the every other communities you find us, okay? Make you follow Duoco TV. Follow us, and you'll be getting more pro tips of this nature. I'm going to be flowing and working together. If you need Canva Pro account, please let me know, because you need Canva Pro account to get all of this done. So make sure you don't take this for granted, because so many students pay a lot to get all of this that I'm giving to you right for free. Thank you, and God bless you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now. This is a beautiful year for me.